friends, I'm Kim from Stamping Imperfection and welcome to my YouTube channel. I love making things for my craft room that are really useful. I've been making a lot of my own crafty tools that I can use for inspiration or reference or just to make my craft room look a little prettier. And one of the things that I just made that I thought I would share with you is a stamp chamois case cover. So I keep my stamp chamois in one of these clear cases. These are the clear stamp cases. You can purchase these from Stampin Up in a set of 4 for $9. Or you can repurpose an older one. So I thought I would share this, and now I created this digitally and printed it out on cardstock. And my thought was, I don't know whether this is going to get yucky or wet or anything. I don't think it will, but I thought it took me just a couple of minutes to create this and then print it out and cut it and make this. So this is like a 10-minute project altogether. So you could actually take a piece of cardstock, cut it down to 5 by 7, decorate it with your stamps and your pretty techniques, or you could use some of these ephemera pieces or leftover dies or things you have in your stash. Like these ephemera sets that Stampin' Up! Has come out with, I'm loving. And I do a lot of decorating notebook covers and things like that, and I could have used that as well. I don't know why I chose to do this, but I did create this digital piece, so I thought I would go ahead and share it on my blog if anybody else wants to print it off. So I also have a separate one for, this is the chamois that came with my glass board, so I keep that in its own case, and I really love keeping it in these cases. So I find that they stay actually damp for quite a few days, and then I can actually just take it to the sink. I rinse it out in the sink, give it a good squeeze, put it back here, close it. It's good to go for a few more days. And when it gets really cruddy, I throw it in my washing machine with my towels and wash it with my laundry soap, just like I do my regular laundry, and it comes out smelling fresh. One thing I have found out, I love how thick this is. It feels different than other chamois, and it's nice and thick. It's almost like a piece of comfy foam, like they make the beds out of. But I've noticed that this, for some reason, is not getting stinky and moldy, which I'm very happy about, since, of course, I'm allergic to mold. And so I haven't used stamp chamois for that reason. They get really smelly, and then, I just worry about health issues related to what's growing in them. I have not had the same issue with this one, and which I'm very happy about. I also found this to be very affordable, and I like this solution. It also feels pretty durable. I've had it for a few months now, and it does stain. Like, the stains are not going to come out. Somebody said that if you rinse them in cold water, you're more likely to get more of the ink out because warm water will set the stains. I don't know if that's true or not. It does make sense. But no matter what, it is going to stain, so just accept that. It's like the Versamark ink pad. Even though I think I'm using clean stamps on it, somehow that Versamark ink pad doesn't look like it did when I bought it. So the stamp chamois is the same way, but I'm loving it. Anyway, this works really well for me, so I thought I would share this with you. Here's what you have to do. You're going to take this to your trimmer. I've put a bold line around it so that if you cut just outside that bold line, and I put that bold line right on the left side of my trimmer space, like where the blade goes down, I have that, not there. It's hard to actually see. Like that, but I go ahead and cut right along that bold line, just like that. The bold line is showing in the space where the trimmer blade goes, but it's really sitting right along the left edge of that space. And it cuts perfectly. And so you want to do all 4 sides of this. I keep sticking my finger in there because I have so much trouble telling. Actually, somebody shared a tip with their trimmer where they put some washi tape along the bottom so they could actually see where the edge of that was. I think I might take advantage of learning that tip. So you can throw this away, and then when you open up your stamp case, it's got this plastic sleeve. You're just going to slide this into the front. You could print out one of these for the back as well if you wanted to. And I just stuck it down. I didn't tape it or anything. And then you have your Stamp Shammy case all decorated and ready to go. Now you could print this on any color cardstock. I would do a lighter one, of course, because of the colors I used when I did this. So, you know, maybe beige or very vanilla or something really light. I feel like it just brightened up this, and now I'm not looking at that stained chamois anymore, so I'm pretty happy about that. So you'll find this on my blog at stampingimperfection.com. It is a free printable. I will put the link below so you can click that and go right directly to that resource. So I hope you enjoy that, and if you don't want to print this one, definitely make one of your own because it will brighten up your crafty space. So thanks so much for watching, friends. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will put the links to the cases, the Stamp Shammy, and to Stamp Cleaner below. So thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends because they might like a free download as well. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you have time to spend some time with your crafty goodies today.